Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, northeastern Gibson County, until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. At 11:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Princeton, Mount Carmel, Pawtucka, Allendale, and Hazleton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following county: Gibson, Indiana, and Wabash, Illinois. Flood watch remains in effect.